capsicum and 1 tomato, 1 onion, green capsicum. Trying to get all the juice at the bottom. Mix spices with all-purpose, some salt and paprika and ginger and turmeric and parsley and coriander. Grab 1 piece of bread, get like a decent bowl. So I'm just gonna put it here and make it the size of your bread. Done. Oven time. So hope you're gonna like it. See ya.